Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how to add personality to your LINX Recognition Wall with color and design. A well-designed recognition wall not only celebrates achievements, but also reflects the unique culture of your organization. Let's dive into the top 5 creative ways to enhance your recognition wall and make it truly stand out. Choose your color palette. Start by selecting a color palette that aligns with your brand or organization's values. Bold colors can create an energetic atmosphere, while softer tones can promote a sense of calm and professionalism. Incorporate brand elements. Use logos, fonts, and colors from your brand identity to create a cohesive look that reinforces your organizational values. Add visual graphics. Incorporate graphics and images that resonate with your team. This could include inspirational quotes, team photos, or icons that represent your company's culture. Create a theme. This could be based on seasons, holidays, or special company events. A themed wall can keep things fresh and exciting for employees. And of course, you want to personalize the employee plates. Include their name, photo, and short description of their achievements or contributions. This adds a personal touch and makes employees feel valued. By adding personality to your LINX Recognition Wall with these design tips, you can create a vibrant space that not only recognizes achievements, but also reflects the spirit of your organization. Let's make recognition a colorful and exciting part of your workplace culture.